I'm at my mom's place and I've just got up. Let's see what we have in store for today. Let's get started. I'll go for a shower. Hi guys, as you can see, there's yoga going on. She's my mom. And there's the Ramdev Baba always on the channel at this time. My bro has become a big fan of Ramdev Baba. He has also resorted to yoga. She's my bhabhi. Everyone is a yogi in this house. And yoga is kind of compulsory when you come in this house in the morning. I've gone for a shower clearly. What we are going to do is, in the morning after doing yoga, we have a drink which is mixture of 3 things. It's this aloe vera and amla and giloy. We mix these like 3 things, like 1 tablespoon each in water, and have it in the morning, each one of us in the house, to boost our immunity. All are from Patanjali, so you guys can also go for this drink. In the start it might taste a little sour, but then you develop a taste for it. About my mom's houses, wherever you go, like bedrooms or kitchen or hall, from everywhere you have a view of the greenery. There is a lot of greenery in the compound because it's a huge building, and there are like 2 or 3 gardens inside the building. So from wherever you look outside, you feel very fresh and there's a lot of greenery to see. So it's always a good view. I'm at the kitchen right now, so let me show you. Look at this view. There is like a garden view from the kitchen itself while you're standing and cooking. And there are a lot of birds coming on the tree and it's interesting. So this is what I like the most about my mom's house. A lot of greenery, and I'm like a big fan of it. I'm going to finish this. I'm going to brief you about the rest of the day. What's the plan? So it's kind of a Sunday, so it's a chilled out plan. There's not much work or stuff. And I just came last night at my mom's place, and today we will be first going and visiting 2 temples. So whenever there's something good or big happening in our lives, we always visit these kind of temples. And one is in my earlier building which I used to live. And there are actually 2, but one I think is shut. And there is one Mataji temple which we'll be visiting. So currently there is nothing as such, but we just felt like we have not done that since a very long time and we want to visit. So me, mom and my bhabhi will be going and visiting that. But since there's like a kind of partial lockdown, so all these things, don't mind the voice there's yoga going on. So it's a partial lockdown, so I think the temples are going to be open only till 2 o'clock or maybe 12, we don't know. So we are planning to just go early itself and just do that because we don't want to take any chances. So yes, after I finish this, I'll be going for a shower then, and post that I will be heading, we 3 will be heading, me, mom and bhabhi will be heading for the temple visit. And then today the Kumar of the house is going to come for the lunch. So it's a mango season, and I think in everyone's house there's a tradition that, you know, the Jamai of the house, the Kumar of the house is called once for, you know, having a lunch in the mango season. So he's coming today, and I'm going to go back today itself, but we're just going to have some fun time, have lunch, have some fun time, and then we'll head back. So that's the plan for today. I'll catch you back. So as you can see, I'm ready to head towards the temple. And as I was saying, look at the greenery over here. The best part, coconut trees. Where do you find coconut trees in the building these days? This is too good. And Yogi Baba?
You find coconut trees everywhere.
Not at all.
Extremely common.
Not at all.
Omnipresent.
Not at all.
You turn in any direction and there'll be a coconut tree.
Tell me one building in the lane which has coconut tree in the same lane.
All the buildings had before cyclone Tauktae.
So after the cyclone, even again, if you have after the cyclone, that's a big thing. And there are like so many coconut trees. And they even drink free coconuts.
No.
When they are like cut. Yes.
The
Tell us something about yoga. Why did you become a yogi all of a sudden?
Just sells the coconuts for 5 rupees per coconut.
But that's still okay. Outside you will get for 50 bucks.
No, to the outside vendors, not to us.
He's just lying. He has the habit of saying exactly opposite what I say. That's how siblings are. They like to irritate each other. But first tell us something about yoga.
We also have our witness, Mr. Pradeep Shah.
No.
Second, who will vouch by the fact that the building sells coconuts to anyone and everyone except for the building members.
No. First, you answer our question. You don't want to know about coconuts.
GST on those sold coconuts. So I request the government of India to take strict action against it.
No, first you answer our question. Why did you become a yogi all of a sudden and imbibe the yoga culture in our house?
Because I experienced.
What you experienced? Are you taking commission from Baba Ramdev?
I would like to. Rather than being an unpaid brand ambassador, it's always good if someone pays you something.
But currently you're just a brand ambassador, unpaid one, and you're promoting Baba Ramdev so much. More than yoga, I think he's a fan of Baba Ramdev. Had it been for anyone else, he would have not been in yoga for sure. Only because of Baba Ramdev, he's so influenced.
I like the way he speaks and blinks.
Blinks. Okay, we'll catch you back in a while. So that is my dad searching for food. So clearly now everyone is at home, so everyone just likes munching for no reason. And he's just searching all the dabbas and trying to munch on something. And clearly he could not find anything useful of his taste. So meet him, he's my dad, Pradeep Shah, convener of, trustee of, trustee vice president of Jhalawad community. Can you please give your intro? I am not aware. So what you are in Jhalawad? Vice President of Jhalawad, Trustee of Sambhav Darshan's Derasar. So, big man you're. And a member of Club 9 of Pleasant Palace. Soon trying to conquer some of the position there as well. How he is most of the times into his phone, trying to crack deals for protein powder. Soon we are planning to make a video about proteins and other supplements. So my brother deals in supplements, so I'm soon going to make some video out of that very soon after he gives me a nod. So we'll be shooting that and y'all can get the supplements at the best rate. So just wait for that video. Too busy man. He was going to take us in the car, but now he's going for his work. So we'll have to struggle with 2 rickshaws.
Petrol prices have surged to 100 per liter. I was rather recommending them to walk, but they still have decided to take a rickshaw. No problem.
This is my mom's dress which I am wearing, and it is fitting me nicely. Clearly because I have put on a lot of lockdown weight, all fat. It is what it is. Drop some comments how to lose weight. તો તમારા કોરોના માટે શું થોટ્સ છે અત્યારે?
કોરોના માટેનું એવું છે, ફર્સ્ટ વેવ સેકન્ડ વેવ હવે આપણને એક એવો અનુભવ થઈ ગયો છે કે આપણે સહન કરી શકીએ. એટલે કોરોનાના માઇન્ડમાં એમ આવ્યું કે આ તો બધા સહનશીલ થઈ ગયા, એટલે હવે હું પાછા મારા ઘરે જતો રહું. એમ સમજી અને એમની આખી જમાત
હમ.
બધી સ્વર્ગમાં જઈને બેસી ગઈ. અને જે લોકો એમાં બી એજેડ લોકો હોય એને ચાલતા વાર લાગે એટલે થોડા ઘણા અહીંયા જે પૃથ્વી પર રહી ગયા છે આસ્તે આસ્તે પૃથ્વી પરથી ત્યાં સ્વર્ગમાં સીધાઈ જશે. અને ત્રીજી વેવ માટે એ લોકોને વિઝા આપવા કે ન આપવા એ આપણા હાથમાં છે. એટલે આપણે વેક્સિન લેવી જોઈએ અને
માસ્ક
હેલ્થ કોન્શિયસ રહેવું જોઈએ.
માસ્ક પહેરવું જોઈએ.
હેલ્થ કોન્શિયસ રહેવાનું બાકી ગાઈડલાઈન પ્રમાણે. એટલે એ લોકોને વિઝા મળે જ નહીં પાછા અહીંયા આવવાના. એવો આપણે પ્રયત્ન કરવા.
બીજો ક્વેશ્ચન એ છે કે ઘરમાં બેઠેલા બોર થતા લોકો માટે શું તમારું કહેવું છે? કે રીતના ટાઈમ પાસ કરવો અને પોઝિટિવ રહેવું?
હા, ઘરના બેઠેલા બોર થતા માણસો માટે એને પોતાનો જે કંઈ ટાઈમ છે એને ડિવાઈડ કરવો પડે કે ભાઈ હાફ એન અવર ટીવી જોવું, હાફ એન અવર મોબાઈલના વોટ્સએપ મેસેજ જોવા, હાફ એન અવર આપણે પ્રે કે ભગવાનનું જે કંઈ હોય આપણે એ ટાઈપનું એ કરવું. હાફ એન અવર બહારની દુનિયા બેઠા બેઠા જોઈ રાખવાની શું ચાલી રહ્યું છે. અને કદાચ સમજો કે રીડિંગનો શોખ હોય તો કોઈ એવો સારો આર્ટિકલ કોઈ બી ન્યૂઝપેપરમાં રોજ આવે છે તો એક જ આર્ટિકલ વાંચવાનો, એના પર મનન કરવાનું. અને તમે મનન કરતાં કરતાં તમને એમ થશે કે નહીં વી આર વેરી, આપણે ભગવાનને ઘણો આભાર માનવા જેવો છે કે વી આર વેરી સેફ.
થેન્ક યુ અમારા વ્યુઅર્સને વ્યૂઝ આપવા માટે. The owner of Shaila's Kitchen. I think by now if you follow me on Instagram and if you see my stories, you might know that she is my mom and owner of Shaila's Kitchen, who produces very delicious and fresh tindora pickle. So let's hear it from the owner's mouth itself. So અમારો ફર્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન એ છે કે તમારું ટિંડોરા પિકલમાં બધા નેચરલ ઇન્ગ્રેડિયન્ટ્સ યુઝ થાય છે?
હા, બધા જ નેચરલ થાય છે, કોઈ બી બીજી વસ્તુ અંદર એડ કરતા જ નથી.
અચ્છા, એન્ડ એ તમે જ બનાવો છો કે બીજા કોઈની હેલ્પ લો છો?
ના, હું પોતે જ બનાવું છું,
પોતાના હાથેથી?
મારા જ હાથે.
ઓકે. અને બધાને 12 months એની ટાઈમ અવેલેબિલિટી રહેશે, રાઈટ?
યા,
એની ટાઈમ they can place the order અને it will be ready. Okay, and one more thing is that whenever you place the order and after that mom makes, so it's like freshly prepared. We do not prepare and store it. It's freshly prepared as per your order. So she is the one behind Tindora pickle that all of y'all enjoy. So she's my mom. Just say hi to everybody and soon we'll be giving you a lot of orders. So viewers, please give and taste her Tindora pickle once and I'm sure it will never ever disappoint and you will be a regular customer for sure. So guys, now since the lockdown has started, they do not take 3 people in the rickshaw, so I'm coming alone. And Bhabhi and mom, they are in the rickshaw which is ahead. So we had to get distributed because 3 are not allowed for sure and it's always good to follow the norms. Feeling so good to be out after so long. We have come to this temple. It's our Pushtani, Khandani, what we say, I don't know, that temple. We always visit here. Samba Mata's temple. But it's shut, so we'll have to do it from outside only. We have come to a place. Oh God, there's a lot of traffic. But we have come to a place where we're going to put food to pigeons. So let's wait for that. But there's some truck blocking the way, so we'll have to wait a bit. The pigeons are unfortunately scared because of that huge truck. So they'll come in a while. When we came here, there were so many, but all of them flew away because of the truck, which is still struggling to go off this road. So now we waited for quite a while, but now we're getting late, so we're just putting the food and hope they'll eat once this truck goes. But yeah, we won't be able to see the pigeon. That's unfortunate. They all are sitting up there. The second temple, Santoshima temple, which we've come. Cool. Mom has a matching mask, I just observed. It's a very small temple, but in-house kind, but yeah, it's really good, and we come here every time we have exams or anything important or otherwise as well. And look who's watching over the temple. The watchman is this innocent dog. He's doing the rakhwali over here. This is my old building which I used to live in, and this is the temple. We had a temple inside the building, but it's closed, I guess, for now. We have to like do our darshan from outside because they have not kept it open. After all the mandir visits, and this time they have taken 3 of us in one rickshaw. We are back now after going to 3 temples, and I visited my old building as well over here. Now it's almost 12. We'll be waiting for Kumar to come, that's Taz. And then we'll be having lunch together. So just waiting for him. We are on time.
Yes.
Exactly by 12:10, I think. Very much up for the lunch. So what? You're saying something.
Come and tell me where have you feel any traffic?
No traffic. No traffic on the way.
When you start the journey? Which time you start the journey?
So now they have started discussing haircuts. Who should do a haircut and who should not.
Monday, salons are open 50%.
50. Lunch time now, and there are like many items on the table. I'm not sure. This is Kolhapuri. This is Turiya Patra. This is of course Amras, and there is like a lot of it. For what we call in Gujarati as Agra. This is Karela. What for Dad, because he loves it with ras. And then we have samosas, dal, and parathas, and salad, and pickle, chutney, everything, whatever that falls into a full Indian lunch. So it's a lot of food here, and they're just waiting for me to complete shooting this so they can just pounce. See these pouncers. See these pouncers waiting.
Show yourself.
Everyone's plates will be peeped through. I'll come to my plate as well. This is my plate, guys. So minimalistic. I only eat this much, but 3 times. We have not got much chance to speak to her. Hi. And this is her plate, as I have zoomed in everyone's plate. We all are foodies over here. All of us, including me. Starting to play Monodeal cards game. After a lot of struggle, we have like watched a video from YouTube and done some brainstorming and watched tutorials, and we have finally come to few conclusions of the rules of the game, and now we are trying to play it
Still
and start.
not convinced, but it's okay.
Trial game, so we'll start playing.
Disputes going on regarding the rules.
Yes. And mom is just being like a referee.
Mom
Judge.
already has multiple properties. So,
બે કરો ને.
3 ઉતરી શકો અને 3 થી ઓછા ઉતરી શકો પણ 7 થી વધારે તમારી પાસે કાર્ડ
થાય ને?
એ તમે
હમણાં એક પણ કાર્ડ કરના વિચાર
તમારી એક પ્રોપર્ટી નાલે તમે ત્રીજો કાર્ડ આવશે ત્રીજો કાર્ડ તમે બેંકમાં મૂકો છો કે બીજો પ્રોપર્ટી લેવું છે બેંકમાં તમે ચાલુ મૂકો આ પછી આ ડબલ કરેંગે કરવાનું આ 1 મિલિયન છે આ 1 મિલિયન પછી બેંકમાં હા પછી 5 મિલિયન તમારી થઈ ગયો પપ્પાનો
Deal game, and who are the winners? How many times have you won?
join winners
2 each
2 each. Okay, and I won 3 times.
in your dreams
They won by cheating.
khayali pura
Yeah, because they did not tell us complete rules. They were making their own
playing a
rules.
game you are expected to know
No, but you were supposed to teach, and you taught in a way that only you can win. Cheaters, these two. We completely need no reasons at all to eat cake anytime. Cake lovers. Sweets. This is what always happens when you go to your mom's place, always. Our place now, and look at the food bags being packed for us from my mom's house. So do not blame me if you see me like
going from
higher on the
65 to
scale
70
in terms of weight. We are returning back. We are in the car. Hi.
back to pavilion
It's almost like 8 o'clock now, and we are going back to our place. And after going there, I think after reaching our house, maybe I'll end this vlog. But currently, as of midway, there is no plan, because obviously we have to immediately go because nothing is open, and we just have to reach our house. So yeah, that's it. That's the update about it. I'll reach my house and then we'll end this vlog together. Scenario, lockdown. Who can say this is a lockdown, man? This is Amar. My god. So much of traffic, so many people out on the road at night, 9:30. There's no lockdown, I think, or social distancing being followed. I don't think so. At Amar, I just saw like many people were not even wearing masks. Guys, what are you doing? Wear mask. Maintain some social distancing. Do that, or again we'll be pushed into the third wave. Don't do this to yourself and others. Don't do it. I'm back here at my house, and I am so tired, but I'm so happy. We enjoyed a lot. There was a lot of good food. There were a lot of games which were being played, and we met everyone after so long, and we just sat and had fun, had a good family time, which I think me and we both were craving for, to like meet people. So I think it was a very good visit, and I always keep looking forward to another as soon as I end the current visit to my mom. So at my mom's place. So yeah, we'll be waiting again when we can go and meet everyone again and have that fun, because it's always so fun. So I hope you guys liked all of the clips that I have put in of my visit over there. And if you guys like it, and if you guys also connected with me, then please do like, subscribe and comment. and also press the bell icon so that you get all the notification when I upload a new video of such kind. So please subscribe and please press the bell icon. And till the time I'm back again with another interesting vlog or a video, you guys hang on and stay safe. Bye bye.